Okay guys, let's move to our second topic for today. So in the first lesson we talk about what forex actually is, and now I want us to understand something very important, the currency pairs. We are going to see these pairs everywhere when we start trading forex, so let's make sure we understand them properly. Look at this. You can see AUR/USD, which is Euro/USD. This is what we call currency pairs. It simply means we have two different currencies together. The EUR is the euro and the USD is the dollar. Very simple. Now you might also see something like GBP/USD. That is the British pound against what? US dollar, or the US dollar/GPY, which is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So whenever you see two currencies writing together like this, just remember these are currency pairs. But here is an important question. Why do we even need two currencies? Because forex is basically about comparison. We are comparing the value of one currency against another. For example, with EUR, which is the Euro/USD, we are basically asking how strong is euro compared to dollar. So imagine EUR, which is the Euro/USD, started going up. What does that tell you? It means euro is gaining strength against what? The dollar, or the dollar is becoming weaker against the euro. That's the basic idea. That's just the basic idea. Imagine the opposite happens, or let's say Euro/USD start going down. That simply means the euro is becoming weaker against dollar, or the dollar is becoming stronger against euro. So when you see a currency pair moving, always remember one currency is being compared against another. Let's take Euro/USD. Look at EUR. It's on the left side. So the currency pairs on the left side is always called the base currency, and the currency on the right side, they are called the base currency. So that means when we said Euro/USD, it simply means the euro is our base currency, because it's the currency that first apply on our right side is the base currency, and the USD is the one that apply on the right, which is the euro, on the left. That is how we can be able to identify the base and the quote currency. The one on the right, which is the euro, is the base currency, and the one on the right is the base currency, and the one on the left is the what? Let's take Euro/USD. Look at euro. It's on the left side. The currency on the left side is always called the base currency. So in this example, EUR is our base currency. And also look at USD. It's on the right side. So the currency on the right side is always called the quote currency. USD is our quote currency, and euro is our base currency. Honestly, I don't need to make things complicated. Just remember one thing: left is the base, and right is the quote. That's it. If you remember those two words, you already understand the basic structure of currency pairs. Now let's make it practical. Imagine you open your trading platform and you see Euro/USD at 1,100, and what does that mean? It simply means 1 euro is worth $1.10. It simply means what? 1 euro is worth $1.10. That's how the price is moving. Now, if Euro/USD moves from 1,100 to 1,1100, the euro has increased in value against the dollar. So the euro pair went up. If it goes from 1,100 down to 1,1900, then the euro has lost value against dollar. So the pair went down. Now let's talk about different type of currency pairs. First, we have the major pairs. These are some of the commonly traded pairs that you already know. For example, like Euro/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY, and few others. So you are going to hear these pairs a lot. Then we have minor pairs, and we have the exotic pairs. We have the minor pairs and the exotic pairs. What are the minor pairs? The minor pairs, these are the pairs that contain major currencies, but they don't contain the US dollar. Like what? They are the currencies that doesn't contain what? US dollar. You will not see anything like USD on them. For example, like Euro GBP, Euro JPY, or GBP JPY. Those currencies, there's nothing like USD in them. And also for exotic pairs, these are usually combine a major currencies with the currency of a smaller emerging economy. For example, you see pair like USD TRY or USD ZAR. So as a beginner, you don't need to rush into trading this. For now, just understand what they are. That's just it. You don't need to be trading them for now. So okay, let's quickly go over what we just learned. A currency pair simply means two currencies compared against each other. The currency on the left side is the base currency, and the currency on the right side is called what? The quote currency. So we have for example, like Euro USD. The Euro is the base and the USD is the quote currency. So I just don't want you to just listen to me. I want you to try something yourself. Look at all these 5 pairs that I'm going to mention right now: the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the USD JPY, maybe an Euro GBP or the GBP JPY. Try to identify the base currency and the quote currency in each one. Don't worry if you make a mistake. That's how we are going to learn. So that's it for our lesson for today. Let's meet in another lesson. You guys should stay blessed out there. That's it for today.